Previously on Slime Rancher. Huh. Oh, kitty cat. Oh, shoot. Ow. I just wanted the kitty cat. Ow. Ow, ow. Oh, I got knocked out because of the angry. Oh, man. This is a bad start. And now. Alrighty, we are at the moss blanket. I did a little bit of, what is it? Inventory management off screen. And oh, puddle. The puddles are so cute. That's fine. I also accepted a quest, so Tar, get out of here. Tar. Okay, I sunk to the bottom. Tar, get out of here. Is that good? Good. Okay, yeah, so I need to get some boom slimes and some rad slimes, but we're also looking for Gordos while we're here. So we're gonna get right up here. See if there's Briarhen, anything that we can grab. Let's like fully investigate this area. I may jump cut and bring us back if I find anything like cool. So I actually made it across this little gap, so I wanted to explore this little area with you guys, see if there's anything like important here. I mean, I'd assume there would be, because it's like cut off from the rest of the moss blanket by a kind of difficult thing, and there's a note right here. Have you ever been in love, Beatrix? Makes you feel all achy inside, like a day after your soul's been to the gym. That's the best way I can describe it anyway. It also realigns your thinking to something you swear is downright alien. All those things you thought really mattered suddenly don't. Changes you entirely. Can't recommend it enough. Yeah. He sounds like he's really happy. I'm kind of glad that we inherited the Far range from him, so that he can go off and do, you know, better things. Oh, don't attack me. I need to collect you. I need one more of them. What's on top of these mushy rooms? Okay. I think we've got a couple more, because there's a boom slime right there. Whoa. Big explosion. Okay, let me yoink you, because there wasn't anything up there. Okay. Ooh, there's boom. Well, yeah, okay, so these are the boom ones, right? I need rad. Where is there a tar? There's a tar somewhere. Oh, and those are off the edge. There's another note over there. Ooh. Oh, yeah. That's a cute secret style. Oh, I didn't have to run and jump, but let's see where that is. Where does this go? Oh. I really hope there's a nicer way of trying to get up. Well, I guess, yeah. floating forward is better than floating up. Where is this? There's a honey jelly. Or honey slime, sorry. Honey slimes and mint mangoes. There's a tunnel. Goes over there. Where is this? Right here. Huh. I didn't know there was an easier way in there, because I just kind of went across here. Interesting. Well, I'm gonna drop us down, because I need to go down here anyways. So let us go across. I'm gonna go this way, because right there is where we just were, and ooh, I wanted to read this. I highly advise you have a jetpack and a few upgrades before tackling what's ahead. The land is all broken and twisted, and there are plenty of feral slimes about who you won't see coming before they blast you right into the sea. Keep them peepers peeled. Okay. So we gotta make sure we use our bush guy. I don't know what to call it, but I want to get right up here just to see if I can... Can I please? Okay. Over here. Can I get like right on top of this tree, or am I gonna fall forward through it? Oh, I can stand on top. Okay. I'm gonna be extra vigilant. Whoop. Extra vigilant in my butt. Okay. Whoop. Ow. Whoop. Wait. Yep, it's a feral. Into the sea with you. Ow. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Okay. I'm going to just upsy daisy. Oh! A Largo. Can I please get up on the mushroom? Please? Please, can I get up the mushroom? I cannot get up on the mushroom. Okay. Please. Oh. Okay, I think we're good there. Okay. Let me try to... Okay. Hello, Largo. I actually have a boatload of hen-hens for you. Let's see if this will be enough. You are large, but not wiggly yet. So I need to bring you some more. You are in fact marked on my map, so I will come back with some of my hen-hens. Whew. Okay, there's some of those dudes over there. I might have to just scoop them up and throw them before they attack me. I think this is going back the way I came. Right. Whoosh. So let's go the dangerous way. Okay, that's a hunter port. Where am I? Okay, I'm right here. So I think, okay, so I came through here and around here. So I still need to explore this area, and this way is home. So, yeah, I think that'll be good. Oh. That's a big drop into death. Okay, looking around. Ooh, more chickens. Please don't jump off the cliff. Oh, that's a... Oh, darn. It's a rooster. What's back here? We got some photos. I really need to get those. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna have to make some more money. I did bring some boom plorts or boom slimes home, but I don't think those are very conducive for free ranging with the phosphors. So I want to find something a little bit nicer, maybe. There's some chickies down there. Okay, where am I? Okay, these are the wrong type of chickies. So I'm just going to very casually hop on real quick. Alrighty, let us do a little bit of maintenance beforehand. I've got 13. Oh shoot, I only needed 3 of those. And I got 8. Yikes. Okay, so. Oh, I had them twisted. I need to go get 8 rads. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go quickly pick up 8 rads and then I'll be back. Okay, I've got my 8 rad slimes, and I went ahead and I quickly took care of our phosphor slimes, just so that we, I didn't have to take care of them for a little bit. Their food is all good, it's growing up nicely. Obviously they're eating because we've got a bunch of plorts. Let me just take care of these guys really quickly, grab all their plorts, make sure they have food, and yeah, we would probably be able to get back to trying to level up our 7Z club. So I'll be right back. Alrighty. Oh, I left out an Oka Oka right here very quickly. Yes, we got these ones all full. These ones are just about finished growing, so let me just yank them out very quickly, add them to the stash, and we've got a bunch of them in here. So there's a bunch on the floor as well. Woo! I forgot to pick up one for you. There's some on the floor, but it's mostly in here. Let me just toss them and then go back in really quickly. And we got a bunch of money from our plorts. I think this... Oh! We can pick this up, these enhanced nano storage cells, so that'll help us quite a lot, actually. Be able to carry more. We've got one of this guy. You do you. So I need Oka Oka Poga fruit and odd onions. I know where to get the odd onions from. I'll do this one if I can. I'm gonna try to find the odd onions. But first, let me finish this and gather up some chickens. And I will meet you back in the moss blanket. Okay, we are right around the place where we're supposed to be for that Gordo. I very scarily floated all the way over here, and I had like 22 energy left, and I thought I was going to die with a boatload of chickens in my pocket, but turns out I'm okay. I just gotta make sure I don't miss my jump and skirt around these kitties. They are very angry. Um, Come on, kitty. Gotta get rid of these kitties because they are evil and mean. I think that kitty just ate. That's why they're not hungry and mad at me. Okay, so let us get up here. Ooh! Okay, and then flutter. Ooh, a heart module. Ooh, you are jiggly. Jiggly, 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 jiggly kitty. Whoa. Pop. And we got ourselves a slime key. Ooh, what are you? Whoa. Seriously, hold on. Take all these Roostros. Spiral stream. And then I'll just leave these hen-hens here, because we have hen-hens out the yang. But we don't have these. Ow. I swear there was another one. Oh. There it is. Okay, so then... yeah. I'm going to very quickly dash across here. Chickens. And I think I will meet you guys back at the ranch. Or we can run together, I guess. It should just be right here. So, we're not missing each other too much. Down here? What's over here? Am I just doofy? Oh. Nothing. Alrighty, we are back on the ranch. Let us see. I still don't have the odd onions. Let me get rid of all of these carrots, because I don't think I'll be needing them for right now. Let's see if we can find a way into this area. I think it's one of the doors up here. Maybe. I might be able to get there from the grotto, I think. Well, look. Let's see what this guy is. Oh, it gives me more health. We love more health. Okay. I'm gonna stash these guys right here for now. You might see them pop up, just so that I can make sure they don't despawn, but I'm gonna do some general housekeeping, and I will see you guys when I finish that and we're about to put up. Okay, so I did grab a silo and fully upgrade it just so that potentially we won't lose these guys right here. So if we have some other stuff that we're wanting to, you know, keep up with, right here is a great place. I don't think I'll ever need another silo as long as we're playing, but Yeah, so I guess that's gonna be our designated silo spot. Um, I checked on the phosphors. They're doing great. I could probably sustain like probably about 15 more with this food supply that we have. It doesn't seem like they eat it unless I'm near them, so they're like starving whenever I get back to the grotto. So that's pretty handy. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go grab some of those, and I want to work on unlocking this guy. This guy is 10,000, we have 8,000, so it's really close. But let's go unlock the other area first. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to get this guy done. Let's go unlock, yeah, I threw out all the carrots, just so I'd have some extra room to, grab stuff. Oop. These guys are out, so we'll handle that first, and I will meet you where I think we need to go. Again, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I had fun recording it. And again, welcome to the Fruit Cup.